Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know if someone has two Snapchat accounts on Snapchat. For example, if you want to know about that whether the person you want to know about has only one account or it has two accounts. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply get the phone number and email of that person, and you have to simply save in your device. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and you have to simply search for Snapchat. And here you have to simply make sure that Snapchat is has updated version. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat. And after updating the Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to simply open the Snapchat here. In Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply look for that person you want to know about, whether it has one account or two. So you have to simply confirm that one account, and after that you have to simply click on that quick add section. And after that, you have saved that person number. You have to simply search for that person's name. And first of all, if that person shows with their name, that means that person has more than one account. But if it is not showing, then you have to simply again click on quick add, and you have to scroll it down until you find doubt on any Snapchat profile that is related to that person. So if you see that, then you can simply send them a request, and you can know about that person has only one Snapchat account or no. But if you want to clearly know about that person has one or two Snapchat account, then there is no option available on Snapchat, because Snapchat doesn't tell you. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.